This stainless steel strapping banding kit has everything you need, including a 164-foot steel band and 100 of these buckles. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. You also get a pair of gloves, a pair of pliers, and instructions. I'll demonstrate on these two pipes. Imagine these are 8 to 10 feet long. The last thing you want is for these to slip away and have one or more of these slam into the car behind you. Cut off a piece of the strap. You'll need to provide your own shears. Make sure the length is a bit longer than you'll need. Add the buckle to one end, and then you need to bend this over. Use the provided pliers. You do not have to be real neat with it. Crimp it down like that. That's what you're looking for. Thread that through. Notice these tabs are bent over. There's no way this is going to slip out. Impossible. This tool is fast and accurate, and the strength of the stainless steel straps, that gives me peace of mind.